Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a first look at the 2026 Porsche Carrera GT. This modern supercar combines the legendary Carrera GT design with the latest technology, premium luxury, and incredible performance. If you love Porsche supercars, make sure you watch until the end. At first glance, the 2026 Porsche Carrera GT looks stunning. Let's start with the front design. The front features slim LED matrix headlights that give the car a modern and aggressive look. The large air intakes improve cooling while making the front bumper look even sportier. The sculpted hood flows smoothly into the windshield, giving the Carrera GT its famous aerodynamic shape. Moving to the side, the car looks absolutely beautiful. The low roofline, large side air intakes, and carbon fiber side skirts create a sporty profile. At the rear, the Carrera GT looks just as impressive. The slim LED taillights stretch across the back, while the active rear spoiler adds extra downforce at higher speeds. The large carbon fiber diffuser and center-mounted dual exhaust system complete the aggressive rear design. The forged alloy wheels perfectly match the body. Behind the wheels are large carbon ceramic brake discs with bright yellow Porsche brake calipers. Now let's step inside. The interior is modern, luxurious, and focused on the driver. Premium black leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim cover the cabin. Every surface feels soft and high quality. The sports seats provide excellent comfort and strong side support. Whether you're driving in the city or on a racetrack, the seats keep you comfortable and secure. The flat-bottom steering wheel gives the driver a sporty feeling. The center touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, navigation, and a premium sound system. The controls are easy to use, and the cabin has a clean, driver-focused design. Storage space is limited, as expected from a supercar, but there is enough room for small bags and daily essentials. Now let's talk about the engine. The 2026 Porsche Carrera GT is expected to feature a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine or a modern high. The center touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, navigation, and a premium sound system. The controls are easy to use, and the cabin has a clean, driver-focused design. Storage space is limited, as expected from a supercar, but there is enough room for small bags and daily essentials. Now let's talk about the engine. The 2026 Porsche Carrera GT is expected to feature a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine or a modern high-performance hybrid powertrain. Inspired by Porsche's latest technology, power is expected to exceed 650 horsepower, giving the car incredible acceleration and top-end performance. The Carrera GT is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.2 seconds, with a top speed of over 210 miles per hour. Advanced suspension, rear-wheel steering. Despite its incredible performance, modern engine technology is also expected to improve fuel efficiency compared to older supercars. Finally, let's talk about the expected price. The 2026 Porsche Carrera GT is expected to start at around $750,000, depending on specifications and optional equipment. It will compete with world-class supercars such as the Ferrari SF90, Strade, Lamborghini, Revuelto, McLaren 750 Segundos, and Aston Martin Valhalla.